here we get make it real fingernail. Remember guys, before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, thumbs up, and share. When you're done, write down below the comment. Okay guys, so with that, for fingernail polish, the color is blue, red, purple, and clear. This is a dryer, picker, polish, stickers, and of course glitters. The first thing, you're gonna use the polish to rub it softer, like this. The second thing, you're gonna use the polish nail. What color did you like? Purple. Okay, let's use the polish, rub it twice, like this. And it's twice. Now let's close it up, guys. The third step, you're gonna use this sparkle. You're gonna use the picker to take the sparkle this. Okay, let's put it right over here. Let's put it one more, that's enough. Farther, I'm gonna put it right over here. The fourth step, you're gonna use the clear color to polish the purple. Let's open it, guys. You're gonna use this dryer to dry my little sister's hair, like this. And it's dry, guys. It looks so pretty. Thank you guys for watching this video.